Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. What happens to your body when you add collagen to your coffee? Collagen is an abundant protein in the body that supports skin, hair, bone, and joint health. Adding collagen powder to coffee can be a good way to increase protein intake and may provide benefits like reduced wrinkles and joint pain, improved hair thickness, stronger bones, and support for muscle mass. There are no major downsides to adding collagen to coffee, but it should not be used as a full meal replacement. The best type of collagen powder depends on your specific goals. Type 1 and 3 are best for skin, type 2 is best for joints. While collagen supplements can be beneficial, the best way to support collagen production is to consume adequate protein, zinc, and vitamin C in your diet. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. =speak